Can't be permitted to lift the material without payment of these charges, and suppose in the last your petition is failed. Then
I'm requesting that direction may be given that petitioners will give the indemnity bond or security on of the difference of the coal amount. Milord, I've filed this WP challenging the price notification that was issued by Coal India Limited dated 27 to 2025. Milord, it's an Exhibit A1. Whereby, Milord, 300 rupees per ton has been imposed for sourcing coal, Milord, in the name of Singrauli Punarsthapan charge, Milord. Milord, one similar WP which has challenged the same order, stay order was granted.
where is that order?
Milord,
Why you not challenge that order earlier? This order is updated 27 to 2025.
Milord, this was filed by other petitioners. Thereafter, this order was stayed. Milord, thereafter,
Therefore, you decided to challenge.
No, Milord, they approached us later, so we had filed it later.
What reason you are assigned to hear this case during vacation?
Milord, there are sale orders which are in favor of the petitioners. Milord, that is going to expire tomorrow, and if stay is not granted, then Milord, these charges are going to be imposed upon them, Milord.
Where is that stay order which is going to be expired tomorrow?
Milord,
Why you not filed all the documents along with the petition?
Milord, this sale order is already filed. It's said to expire tomorrow, Milord. They'll impose these charges on us.
In this sale order, they will not charge any Vyavasthapan, Punarvasthapan, Shuru.
This was because of e-auction. Thereafter, they are going to charge it, Milord. We have to.
When this was issued?
Milord, this is April 5th, 2020.
And the order for charging that
27th February.
that charge was 27 to 25.
Milord.
But they are not charging.
Milord,
Why,
after
Uspe?
this, they are going to charge us. After this, when the auction is completed, we'll source the coal. Thereafter, they are going to
Already
charge
issued
us.
a sales order in your favor. They can't charge anything. सारे charges इसमें लिखे हुए हैं उन्होंने.
Milord, there are other orders as well which are pending. So,
Only a stay order has been granted in favor of another person. You have filed this petition.
Milord, because this is
Except that there is no cause of action to file this petition.
Milord, this order which was passed, that is for all the consumers. We are sourcing coal from NCL, Milord,
But in
because
this
of
sale order,
e-auction.
this sale order, they are not charging the fees on Singrauli Punarsthapan charge. They are not charging anything.
Milord, thereafter they are going to charge. That's why we have.
From where we can gather this that thereafter they will charge? कहाँ पर मिलेगा ये?
Milord, actually, the stay was granted, and we have orally requested them that the stay order has already been granted. So they have stated because you are not the petitioner, so they are not going to accept that. We are coming under the purview of the
Stay
order.
has been granted in favor of the association.
Milord,
Everyone will be benefited by the stay order because the association has filed a petition. Are you not the member of that association?
Milord, we are not. This association is based on Delhi, Milord. But we are also the consumers of NCL, Milord. The sale order is depicting that we are the consumers. And this order is passed irrespective of the fact, Milord, if you are a TPP or a independent consumer.
And what will happen if ultimately your petition is dismissed?
Milord, any direction may be given.
What will happen? Because this type of stay can't be granted.
Milord,
Can't be permitted to lift the material without payment of these charges, and suppose in the last your petition is failed. Then
Milord, I'm requesting that direction may be given that petitioners will give the indemnity bond or security on of the difference of the coal amount, Milord. Then stay may be granted. It's a matter of 1 month, Milord. It's already listed on 25th June, Milord. All the matters would be connected and it may be heard.
there are as many as 18 petitioners.
Milord, similarly, there are 4 more petitions. In those petitioners' favor also, one stay order was granted with similar direction, my lords.
Very difficult to understand.
If
Whether any mandamus can be issued,
my lords, if
a certiorari can be issued, you are demanding certiorari, can be issued.
मतलब they are seeking direction. So
There should be, you are in 226.
मतलब
You have to show something.
it's Coal India Limited being an instrumentality of the state.
Oh,
They are imposing it. The notification. There is no act or statute which governs the regulation of these prices, my lords. And these charges
Anyway,
are being charged
there
unilaterally.
is one order in your favor. We have to respect that order. Anyway, देखिए, for the regions assigned in the application, IE number 19113 of 2025 is allowed. Matter is taken up for consideration. Stop. Counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioners submits that a respondent, Coal India Limited, has issued a notification on 27/2/2025 by which they have imposed levy of rupees 300 per ton as inverted comma Singroli Punarasthapan charge. Inverted comma close. The council submits that the petitioners are engaged in the business of coal and respondent Coal India Limited has imposed such levy without there being any statutory provision for the staff. He further submits that the said notification of imposing levy dated 27/2/2025 has already been assailed by Association of Power Producers in WP number 14964 of 2025, wherein the coordinate bench by order dated 29/4/2025 has granted interim relief to the staff. She prays for grant of similar relief to the petitioners. Full stop. Next. Issue notice to the respondents upon payment of PF by tomorrow. Notices be made returnable within 4 weeks. Next. In order to maintain parity, it is directed that notification/order dated 27/2/2025 shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing, subject to furnishing an undertaking by the petitioners before respondent Coal India Limited that in case the final order of the petition, in case by the final of the order of the petition, the levy of extra charge is upheld, the petitioners will pay the amount of levy upon the material gifted during the currency of the interim order. Full stop. List along with WP number 14964 of 2025.
CC today.
सारे अपलोड हो जाएंगे शाम तक. लंच के पहले के सारे ऑर्डर साइन हो गए, अपलोड भी हो गए, सब हो जाएंगे.